Welcome to another video from Dr. Locke. We're in a toilet. Now what I wanted to show you, what is that? Right, the most unhappiest door closer in the world. Ready? It's just whinges. You can do it. Come on. Oh, there we go. I think it's deliberately designed to make more noise than the people in the cubicles to give them some sort of privacy, you know? You're in there, you're doing your business, you got the door closer, making some cover fire, making some noise to drown it out. Who knows? Windiest door closer ever. Leave your comments.